You and me, we're outside. Wait, it's me and you. Or wait.
Me and you outside.
Oh, it's you and me?
Me and you outside.
Yeah, you and me.
Yeah.
Guys and gals, my clients, they had to leave earlier. But come out here checking some new spots. But look at that. Catching some white bass here, just playing around. They're mixed in with the crappie. But I want you to look how deep. Every cast almost. It's just crazy. Another 10-inch keeper. Alright guys and gals, right there, 11.5-inch fish. That's our average fish, what we're putting in the boat. As you can see on the video, I don't know how good it's going to turn out. A friend of mine really likes white bass. I found a school of these white bass out here and stopped and had a little fun with them. Took about an hour to put a limit in the boat. Of course, kept catching because it's just fun. Anyways, I've said it once, I'll say it again. If you're interested in a guided trip, 417-209-0548. As you'll see in the video that we made earlier today, put a lot of fish in the boat, and some happy people went home with a lot of fish. So he's got a YouTube channel. It's called Me and You Outside. If you want to check that out, he's going to share it. Then I'll share it later on. But anyways, I just wasn't going to go sit at the house, so they were done. They had to leave early, and so I come put quite a few fish in the boat. Had a lot of fun. I'll have some clips there. But anyways, God bless. Y'all have a great afternoon, and we'll see you soon.